Hello, welcome to how to solve this exponential equation. Negative 5 to the power x is equal to 5. We will solve it by two methods, by natural log and by common log. So let's start with method 1. We can write this negative 5 to the power x as negative 1 times 5 whole to the power x is equal to 5. Now, according to the property of exponents, a times b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. This power x becomes the power of this negative 1 and this power x becomes the power of this 5. Negative 1 to the power x times 5 to the power x is equal to 5. Now, according to Euler's identity, that is e to the power I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. From here, if we move this plus 1 to the right side, then it becomes e to the power I pi is equal to negative 1. So we replace this negative 1 with this e to the power I pi. In place of negative 1, we write e to the power I pi whole to the power this power x times 5 to the power x is equal to 5. Next, according to the property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. This power I pi will be multiplied by this power x. E to the power I times pi times x times 5 to the power x is equal to 5. Now from here we take natural log of both sides. Ln of e to the power I times pi times x times 5 to the power x is equal to ln of 5. Now, according to natural log property, ln of a times b is equal to ln of a plus ln of b. We can write this ln of e to the power I pi times x times 5 to the power x as ln of e to the power I times pi times x plus ln of 5 to the power x is equal to ln of 5. And according to the property of natural log, ln of a to the power n is equal to n times ln of a. This power I times pi times x will come here and this power x will come here. I times pi times x ln of e plus x times ln of 5 is equal to ln of 5. Now from here we can factor out x. X times, in bracket left, I times pi times ln of e plus ln of 5 is equal to ln of 5. Now this ln of e is equal to 1 because this natural log ln has base e here. And ln base e of e is equal to 1 as log base b of b is equal to 1. This property is same as this log property. So we replace this ln of e with 1. X times I times pi times 1 I times pi plus ln of 5 is equal to ln of 5. Now if we divide both sides by I times pi plus ln of 5, we get the value of x is equal to ln of 5 divided by I times pi plus ln of 5. This is the final answer. This is the value of x. Now let's solve it by the second method. Now we solve it by method 2, by common log. You can write this negative 5 to the power x as negative 1 times 5 whole to the power x is equal to 5. And according to the property of exponents, a times b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. This power x will become the power of this negative 1 and will become the power of this 5. Negative 1 to the power x times 5 to the power x is equal to 5. Now this number negative 1 is equal to I square. So we replace this negative 1 with I square. I square to the power x times 5 to the power x is equal to 5. And according to the property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. This power 2 will be multiplied by this power x. I to the power 2x times 5 to the power x is equal to 5. Now from here we take log of both sides. Log of I to the power 2x times 5 to the power x is equal to log of 5. Now according to log property, log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. You can write this log of I to the power 2x times 5 to the power x as log of I to the power 2x plus log of 5 to the power x is equal to log of 5. According to log property, log of a to the power n is equal to n times log of a. This power 2x will come here and this power x will come here. 2x times log of I plus x times log of 5 is equal to log of 5. Now from here we can factor out x. X times in bracket left 2 times log of I plus log of 5 is equal to log of 5. Now from here if we divide both sides by 2 times log of I plus log 5, we get the value of x is equal to log of 5 divided by 2 times log of I plus log of 5. This is the final answer. This is the value of x. And by natural log we have found the value of x. X is equal to ln of 5 divided by I times pi plus ln of 5.